In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size and font style quickly in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're making a one-off tweak to a single email or setting a default look for all your messages, I'll walk you through the fastest options in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Let's start in Classic Outlook. If you're already composing an email, the quickest way to adjust text is with keyboard shortcuts. Highlight the text you want to change, then press Ctrl and the right bracket to make it bigger, or Ctrl and the left bracket to make it smaller. This is perfect for quick emphasis when you don't want to leave the editor or dig through menus. You can tap those shortcuts multiple times to step the size up or down until it looks right. If you prefer clicking, use the formatting toolbar that sits right above the message body. With your text selected, choose a font from the font drop-down, pick a size, and apply bold or italic right from the toolbar. These controls change only what you select in the current message, which is great when you want a specific part of an email to stand out without changing your overall defaults. To set a consistent default style for every message in Classic Outlook, go to File, then Options, then Mail, and choose Stationery and Fonts. You'll see separate font buttons for new mail messages, for replying or forwarding, and for plain text messages. Click each one you want to customize, choose your preferred font, size, and style, and then click OK to confirm. This ensures new emails and replies automatically use your chosen look, so you don't have to adjust them every time. Now, if you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, click the Settings gear in the top right corner, then select View All Outlook Settings. Go to Mail, then Compose and Reply. Under Message Format, pick your desired font, size, and style. When you're done, click Save. From that point on, your new messages and replies in the new experience will reflect those choices automatically. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.